MiFID II is landing on January the 3rd, 2018, and it will be significant. A myriad of new regulations and a focus on transparency will change the market structure, affecting all those engaged in the dealing and processing of financial instruments. Fortunately, unlike some other trading platforms, TradeWeb is a long-established, regulated venue, meaning we're already geared up to handle MiFID II's complexities. Our range of products and tools means our clients can operate with confidence, competence, and comfort in meeting the new requirements. The main RFQ Protocol change will be the publication of pre- and post-trade transparency information. So we'll be adding information to the trade ticket regarding liquidity status, size thresholds, and, where relevant, clearing and trading obligations. When it comes to transparency, we'll be doing the reporting and operating an APA. And to cover the best execution regulations, our TCA tool will incorporate the new data sources while adding in pre-trade analysis. MiFID II is coming. TradeWeb is ready. Join us and be ready too.